I'm working on my posting for this week in D2L, and I decided that I want to add a video to help me to better explain what I'm seeing and make it for a more interesting post. So what I'm going to do is show how to embed that video into my D2L post. The first thing I need to do is go find my video, and I'm going to pick up a YouTube video. This could be something that I created or something that I just found interesting and relevant to the discussion. So first of all, I navigate to YouTube, and I'm working on discussions about netiquette. So I enter my search for netiquette for students. And I happen to have viewed some of these videos, and I know that I like this one in particular and want to share it on my D2L post. So what I need to do, once I find the video I like, is scroll down until I can see this action bar, click on share, and then click on this embed tab. This will show me an HTML iframe element that I need to copy and paste into my D2L post. So it's highlighted, or I can swipe it with my mouse and highlight it. And I'm going to Control-C, I'm on Windows, put it in my copy buffer. If I was on a Mac, I would use Command-C. And once it's in the copy buffer, I'm going to return to D2L so that I can add it to my post. So here's my netiquette for the community post. I open it up. I could do this in a new post, but I'm going to add it to an existing post. So I edit the post, click on edit, and once I'm in the post, I figure out where I want it. So let's say I'll place it with my cursor right after the title. Then, looking at this action bar in D2L posting, I can see on the far left a button with a title, Insert Stuff. I click on that button. This takes me to a pop-up where I can insert all sorts of different things, but I want to insert embedded code. That's that iframe link. So I click on embedded code, and at this point I want to paste my buffer into this text area. So I put the cursor there, and then I'm going to use Control-V, or it would be Command-V on Mac, to paste what I copied off of YouTube into D2L. You can see in this iframe that you basically have a link to your video along with a few attributes: width, height, frame border. You can change these. I would be aware of changing width and height. If you take them out of balance, you can distort your video, but you can make your video larger and smaller with that adjustment. Once I have that looking good, I can click on next, and it's going to show me a preview, and I like the look of this. This is what I'm going to be putting into my post. If I didn't like it, I could go back, or I could cancel, but I like it, so I'm just going to say insert, and it will get inserted right where my mouse was. You can see this flashing here. This is my mouse right there. And that looks good, and at that point I can save it, and I will see my video nicely inserted there and easy to play. If I want to delete it, I go back into edit, put your cursor right where you, right after the video embed there. You click backspace, and it's gone. Gone. Okay, gone. Okay, so that is how you can find a video on YouTube and easily insert it into your D2L post. Thank you.